Toolman Childs here. A lot of you are probably having problems with your Jeeps or whatever car you have where it's stalling out on you. When you're going from reverse back to drive, it just cuts out. I've got a 97 Jeep here, and I know what you're probably thinking. What kind of man drives an automatic Jeep? I mean, I got a good deal on it. What can I say? If you take a look at this Jeep here, I've got camo seats, got the Austin 316 floor mats. Just because it's got an automatic gear shifter doesn't mean I'm some kind of a pussy. I mean, this is a manned Jeep. Just look at the dog. Anyway, if you come over here, typically what happens, if you've been out mudding or driving in the desert or something, it gets dirty. This is 97, it's 20 years old, so what I did to fix this problem was first I demudded it with a standard engine cleaner. I cleaned off the battery. It had 20 years of corrosion on there. The thing is looking brand new now. But the big thing is there's a valve called the IAC valve. It's the, I don't know, control.
You're not really doing anything in this video?
Yeah, I'm going to show them.
how-to video.
Get
There's
up
a
here.
lot of like
Come up
not
here.
being done.
Come up here. I'm going to show them what they need to change. And keep your mouth shut. This is my video. Okay. Right here you see this is the IAC valve. What you're going to need to get this off. I've seen a lot of other videos where people are taking just a regular wrench or one of those 6-in-1 jobs trying to get them down here, but the problem is down under here, as you can see, I'm like fingering it really good, you know. Down under there is hard to get, so what I did was I took one of these little T12 little metal starfish things, and that way you can get up under here, take it in here, and you can get this out pretty good because it'll snap in there and you can get it out like so. And the top one is just real simple right here, real easy to take off. So I apologize on the last cut. It was actually a T15 star wrench. So here's the IC. As you can see, this one's probably 20 years old. It's supposed to last forever, but they get gook in it and it's nothing can be done. A lot of people clean them. I actually already put a new one in there, not on the video. But you can just take some degreaser here, clean it off, and you can see already how much gook is on there. If you look close, you can see it's starting to look, it's very clean. You have to like flip it up, kind of like a penis, you know, flip up the foreskin, get all underneath the head area there, and just get under there, like really get under there, like a good pediatrician, you know.
You would know.
Yeah, I mean, I really like my components to be clean. You can see it's already cleaner, but you can get these things clean, get all the gook out of there. And these things are growers, not showers, let me tell you. I mean, this one's in a little bit more, but if you were to buy a new one, they usually come out fully decompressed out here. So, I mean, I could put this back on, but I got a new one on Amazon for $18. I'll just put that in. But it's very important to get it clean, especially under the head area. So I fired it up. Everything's running real good. IC's in there secure. Battery's looking good. I had some alerts on there, a couple check engine with a couple codes on there. They've all cleared out because I had the battery off, but this thing's gonna be running like a brand new puppy pretty soon. So give it a try. It'll probably help you out a lot. If you got any questions, I guess ask me. I'll get back to you in a couple months or so. Have a good day. Enjoy the mud. Don't forget the BL.